Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me today. It is windy, but it's going to be so nice today. It's going to be in the upper 80s, so I'm real excited to get in the yard and work. What I wanted to share with you this morning was how to plant a band rose. We talked about this in one of the previous videos. When you're planting a band rose, they are very vigorous, but when you're thinking about how you plant a bare root rose, those roots are thicker and stronger in a bare root rose because they're 1 to 2 years old. These are babies, so they're about 6 months old, and I just like to be a little bit more gentle when I put them in the ground. Okay, so here we've got the hole. You can see, it's kind of hard to see when it's brown on brown, but I have the hole here that I've dug. We've got really heavy clay soil, so I'm gonna have to backfill today with some bag soil. So what you're gonna do, very easy, is in the plastic pot, and you're going to sit it in the hole. And I'm hoping that you can see that the soil height is going to come here. It's much higher, so we're fine there. So what you do is very easy. You're going to take your soil, put it around, pot and all, so I'm filling the soil. You can see the top of the pot here. I'm filling the soil and I'm going to tamp it down. Let me get a little bit more. Okay. So after you've pushed it down, you're going to gently lift out the band pot, and you'll see that you've got a perfect hole now for this band. You're going to take a little bit of your biotone and put it in the hole, and then gently release the band from the pot, and you see you've got a perfect hole for that to fit in. So then you're just going to gently push down, and there's really nothing additional besides backfilling it. So sometimes you'll hear that they talk about wind rock, and wind rock for bands is if you don't plant it high enough, it might move in the wind and make the rose not as strong. So I'm going to come up to the top here of this cane, and there you go. So before we close out, one of the joys of gardening is sharing it with others, and I wanted you to see how beautiful these daffodils are looking on the walkway. I planted them up in fall, and I've been waiting patiently to see them do their thing, and I'm excited that this looks like this is going to be their week. If I share down the walkway, what we worked on last weekend was trying to get the walkway ready so that I enjoyed walking down here more. You can see that I've got some sleepy hydrangeas that are still waiting to wake up, but all of the daffodils in the pots I added here. And I want to walk down here and show you. I've got alliums in here, salvia, gardenias line this whole side here up against the wall. So I believe I've got some tulips in here, and I'm so excited about this Galloway urn. I've been waiting now for, since the fall, and so I've got sedum in it because I don't have drip wired over to this, so I wanted something that could withstand a little bit more dry soil. And then I've added the daffodils that are white. And so I'm hoping to share with you in the coming days how beautiful it looks. Oh, the sun's coming out now, but I hope this video is helpful and that you'll like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.